Here is a level 8 example, or 8 type example. So this is replacement, replacing the x with a 4 in brackets, and replacing the y here with a 5 in brackets, and replacing the z with a 12 in brackets. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Okay, so just replacing the brackets and everything takes care of itself. All right, so we're doing all of this using order of operations. So the order of operations says do what you can inside the brackets. And then once you've done everything inside the brackets, you remove those brackets. Okay, so I'm going to remove this 4 right away out of the brackets. Okay, and then I'm working inside these brackets. Okay, and inside those brackets, I look for more brackets. Okay, I got a 5 inside that bracket, and I've got a 12, but there's nothing to do inside those brackets, so I'm going to remove those brackets. Okay, so I have 5 to the power of 3 take away 12. Well, 5 to the power, now I have powers, I have an exponent here, and I have subtraction. Okay, or what are we going to do first, the exponent or the subtraction? Well, the exponent, because it's way up here. 5 to the power of 3 means 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. Okay, then we're going to do the subtraction. So 125 take away 12 is going to be 113. Okay, so I rewrite the whole equation. Notice that. I'm not taking this apart. I'm not doing it in parts. I'm doing it from the top down. And you're doing this on paper, right? You're not doing this in your head. You're not typing this out somewhere else. You're doing this on paper. Okay, so you have 125 take away 12 is 113. Okay, then, so we have 4 plus 10 times 113. Are you going to do the addition first or the multiplication? Well, what comes first here? Okay, multiplication and division comes long before addition and subtraction, so we're going to do the multiplication. All right, so 10 times 113, that's pretty easy, is 1,130. Okay, there's no need to use a calculator at this point. All right, then we're going to add, now we only have one operation, addition. So 4 plus 1,130 is 1,134. And that's it for this question. Have a good night.